India's batting coach opines on Cheteshwar Pujara and Rahane's form. What does he have to say? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, Shane Warne has suffered a motorbike accident. और सबसे अंत में, right ahead of the first test of the Ashes, Ben Stokes suffers an injury scare. I'll give you all those details in today's episode of the News Tracker. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. But before I begin this video, अगर आपने अभी तक like, share और subscribe नहीं किया है to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. India's Cheteshwar Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane have been going through a lean patch with the willow in the test format. Now, if you talk about the first test match against New Zealand, both have been unable to contribute with the bat. However, on the other hand, India's batting coach Vikram Rathore still has confidence in them. Now, in the post-match conference, India's batting coach Vikram Rathore said, "I understand both Rahane and Pujara are going through lean phases, but they have played very important knocks in the past. We're pretty sure they would come back and play more such knocks for the team." How do you all view his particular statement? Also, because of those important knocks, do you think Rahane and Pujara should be given more chances, or do you think now it's time to look at other players to potentially come in and start playing for India in the test format? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, accidents are never a good thing, and the not so good news coming in is the fact that Shane Warne reportedly suffered a motorbike accident after he fell from his bike on 28th of November 2021. Now, Warne was driving the bike with his son Jackson riding pillion and slipped from the bike. Warne avoided any kind of serious injury, but he is still experiencing some pain. "I'm a bit battered and bruised and very sore," said Shane Warne after the accident to a media house. Now, on the other hand, of course, looking at his professional commitments, he will be making his way to the commentary box for the Ashes. How excited are you to see Warne in that commentary box? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. One of the biggest talking points in England cricket right before the Ashes series is the fact that they have Ben Stokes' services to play against Australia. Now, one has to remember, of course, that Ben Stokes will be making a comeback to competitive cricket after he took that indefinite break to be concentrating on his mental well-being. Now, on the other hand, it is said that he suffered an injury scare right ahead of the first test of the Ashes. What really happened? Let's find out. Now, Ben suffered an injury to his arm while training on 28th November 2021 and was attended to by the doctor and physio. Meanwhile, Ashley Gills, the director of cricket, said, "We've just got to treat Ben carefully as we would with anyone else who has been in that position of not having a lot of cricket under their belts. He will be a difficult man to hold back if he is ready to go." So how do you view that? Of course, this injury update is something that everybody is going to keep their eyes on, because at the end of the day, it is going to be super important to see how he is going to be contributing to the England team. But on the other hand, how do you view the statement of Ashley saying that, if you let go of Ben to really do his thing, then it's very difficult to hold him back? And according to you, will Ben Stokes be the player to watch out for the England squad for the Ashes? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy teams, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be back very soon to tell you what's happening in the world of cricket, to get you exciting content from the world of cricket. But for that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And until I see you next time, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.